Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. This video, ooh, my hair is doing something weird here. Don't mind my hair. This video is a little late and it's because we've been having a lot of like flu-like type illness in the family. Not me, but my poor son has been sick, and then my daughter last night, when I normally take my videos on the weekend, had a fever. So I kind of chose to snuggle with her and everything until late, and then obviously video didn't get done. So she's still in bed, she still has a fever. I just gave her some medicine, so she may like come popping in here once that medicine starts kicking in. But let's get into today's video. This is Glossybox. You guys know I have a love-hate relationship with this box. This is March for 2019, and this is volume 1. This is the US version. I do know that I have a lot of international viewers, so each country's version is a little bit different. It's very interesting to see like the UK version versus like the Swedish version, but this is the box. I usually do this in like a, well, actually not always. Sometimes I'll do like a box versus a box, but this month my boxes have not been coming in. The other thing I want to show you guys real quick before we get into this box, to ask if you guys would like me to do a review on this palette. This is my recent Sephora haul. So I saw this. This is the Sephora Colorful Gloss Balm. It's a little darker than I thought I was gonna get, but I can tell you guys about this product. It was on sale. And then I saw this, and you guys, if you haven't, I'll link below and above my video on the Wonder Beauty palettes, the Chill and the can't think of the other name. There's two other ones that they first came out with. This is their latest one. I think this literally just came out like a week ago. This is their Fling palette. And if you can see on the colors here, it looks like they're all pinks and purples. You guys know how I feel about pinks and purples, but I'm feeling very spring-like because it's spring, finally. It was like 80 degrees yesterday and we got to enjoy outside, so I'm enjoying springtime, but these are the colors. So if you want to see this palette, I can definitely do a review. I've only swatched it, so I haven't really got to play with it yet. But if that's interesting to you guys, let me know. If not, it's okay too. But I just bought it because I thought it was really, really beautiful, and I really love Wonder Beauty products. All right, let's get into the Glossybox. All right, so this is $21 a month, or you can buy it on like more like every 3 months or every 6 months. I think I buy mine on a 3-month subscription, and so it's like $19 a month. This is originally, I think, either a UK or a Swedish, it's a European brand that does this. And they always have the most beautiful packaging. So this is the normal pink box packaging. They always have their little symbol inside. These boxes are super sturdy. They always come with a little card in the front. And then they usually say, you know, like things on the inside here. So they're talking about International Women's Day this month, which I believe was it Thursday? I think it was Thursday. No, Friday. It was sometime this week. I was working. So this is kind of their ode to International Women's Day. And oh, they have a coming soon. Sometimes they give you a sneak peek of what's coming soon. So they are going to have Kiehl's brand in there, which is awesome. I don't think they've ever had that brand. And yeah, so let's see. They usually do a handout of what's in the thing, so I'm going to keep this down here and go over the products. I just sneak peeked. I didn't actually go in and open up any of these products. So they always have it so beautifully packaged. This is what it looks like. And let's just dive into the biggest product on top, and this thing is a hunker of a size here. This is the brand Nuria Rescue Rebalancing Cleanser with Mandarin Orange, found in Japan. So if you guys can see, let's open this bad boy up. This is huge. I love cleansers. So this box is a little bit more skincare heavy. They do makeup, but 90% of this box, or maybe like 75% of this box, generally is makeup. That's usually a mix of deluxe samples and full-size items. Some months they're better with the full size, some months they are not. This is, I would say this is probably full size. This is, yeah, full size, $26. So it's supposed to relieve and rebalance acne prone skin. So I don't really get acne prone skin, so I'm gonna try it, and if it doesn't work for me, I'll pass it off to someone else. I get occasional breakouts. I have a little bit of blackheads here. I think I have one zit there. Like the T-zone is usually where I get a little bit of breakout, but I'm generally have dry skin. It says perfect everyday, acne or no acne, and practice for centuries in Japan. The double cleansing routine consists of one cleanse to remove impurities and then the second cleanse to balance and eliminate any residual impurities. So for this cleanser is your second step in your double cleansing routine to tighten and treat post makeup removal. So this is supposed to be your second cleanser. Interesting concept. I will give it a try. And like I said, if it ends up being too harsh on my skin, and then I have some folks that have skin that would tolerate it better. But that's a nice product. I am super excited about that. All right, next product here. This definitely is, I'm not even sure I would call this a deluxe sample size. This is 0.24 ounces. This is the NZ Color the Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This thing is tiny. So yeah, 7 mils is considered, there's no way. So this is, they say featured size. This stuff is supposed to be $15 for this size. All right, so it's supposed to be ingredients that help with fine lines and wrinkles. This is right up my alley. I tend to look for skincare that helps with that. It is safety sealed, so let's take a look at this and see what we're getting ourselves into. Oh, so it's got like a, can you see it's skin colored here on me? It smells like just clean soap. So actually it almost kind of reminds me of like a really light BB cream. It does have a little blurring effect, so actually that's quite interesting. So I don't love the size of it. I think that this size is a little small, but I think this is an interesting product. So it's supposed to brighten and blur impurities and prolong the wear of foundation. I don't wear a lot of foundation. I just usually do concealer, but any concealer or any primer that does kind of a little bit of like a BB cream is kind of nice. So, all right, this is that product. Next product here is the Manna Kadar Beauty Bloom Volumizing Mascara. I want to say this is what we were supposed to get last month, and then they had to switch it out because they didn't get it in time. This is a value of $29. I'm not going to actually open up the brush because I have so many mascaras I need to try, but this is what it looks like. Very fancy here. This is supposed to have a cutting edge wand. Again, like I said, I'm not going to open it because I don't want to waste it or get it, you know, started to go bad. But yeah, that's it. So this is $29. There you go, guys. Very exciting. All right, next product here is, I have never heard of this brand, DWTN Paris. This is a highlighter, as you can see here. This is a featured size, so this is 20 mils, which is a decent size. Like, I don't actually usually need a full, I can't imagine what a full size of this would be, but this is $25 for this featured size. It's a powder creamed highlighter, and I've just started to kind of play with cream highlighters just because, you know, I think they look a little more dewy on the skin. So it is a darker color there. It really is just a straight up cream highlighter. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is not like, there's not glitter. Can you see it just gives a little glow? I'm gonna put a little bit more here. Can you see that? This is actually really pretty. I'm gonna definitely try this out. This is not your like, bam, I have a highlighter look. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheek, even though I'm not wearing any makeup right now. This is more like your dewy inner glow look. So there's a little bit, there's my skin without it, and there's a little bit. So I think it just gives you kind of that like dewy, fresh look. So that's actually really, really pretty. I like that. So I'm gonna try this out. I think this is definitely more for your more natural makeup lover type person. Okay, final thing here is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I don't know how many I have of these. I do actually really like these, but I may give this one away because I think I have like 2 other of these. that I just have not worked through yet because they last a long time. This is not full size. Full size I do have, which is 5 ounces. This is deluxe sample. This is 2 ounces. It's $14. I mean, it's a nice brand. It's a nice product. I just feel like Briogeo has given this product out a lot in their boxes recently. I wish they would maybe put one of their other products out there for people to try instead of just this one. I think there's one other. There's a leave-in. There's one other thing, like a detangler they have a lot of. But yeah, this is a nice product. If you don't have it, I would try it. I have a ton of it because I have a lot of boxes. So anyway, so let's calculate up this value. This actually was a pretty good value of the box. And I have to say that recently, instead of, they used to put the full size price and then you had to kind of like back calculate the deluxe sizes. I actually kind of like that they're not doing that because honestly, I don't really care what the full-size product costs. I want to know what the product I have costs. So we're looking at 50, 65, 70, 80, 90, 100, about 100, just shy of $110. So that's a pretty good value. Everything in this box is usable. The only one that's a little bit questionable for me is the cleanser because it's for more acne prone skin. And this just because I have a lot of it, not because it's a bad product. So overall, actually, I had a really good month with this month. I am super duper happy with it. And yeah, so anyway, that is that. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm going to try to do this week, my video schedule may be a little bit off. It is spring break this week and I'm taking the whole week off with my kids. We had originally planned to do a bunch of like road trips around Texas and go see stuff locally, and it's all going to depend on one, the weather, and two, how my children are feeling since they've both been sick. So my video schedule may be a day or two off one way or another. I may do extra videos, I may do less videos. But I will try to at least get 2 more videos out this week. So it's just going to be a little off. But I hopefully in the next week or 2 will have a Look Fantastic box. My Boxy Luxe should be getting in, I believe, in another day or 2. My Ipsy Glam Bag Plus should be coming in, as is the Cause box. I don't know, for some reason this month, my boxes are coming in really late. Like I usually by this time have like 3 or 4 boxes, and literally Glossybox is my first box, which is really weird. Like it's usually one of my first boxes, but we're like already on the the 9th and I have 1 box. It's weird. So if the boxes, what's probably going to happen is all the boxes are going to come in like 1 week and I'm going to be sitting here like, okay, which one do I do first? In the meantime, I can do makeup reviews. They're not the most popular videos, but if you guys enjoy them, I don't mind doing them, and I enjoy playing with makeup. And then I was hoping this week I could sit down and make a list of products from different boxes, because I'm hit a year with FabFitFun. I think I'm about to hit a year with Glossybox. Actually, I know I hit a year. I hit a year with Glossybox. I hit a year with BoxyCharm. So I think it'd be fun to do like a year-end review with those to kind of give you guys my thoughts. Anyway, I will be back probably Tuesday, but maybe Monday. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Anyway, see you later, and I hope you guys have switched off of daylight savings time okay. For us, at least, we're in spring break here, so the fact that it's an hour earlier than it really should be is not a big deal because, well, I don't have to be anywhere. So anyway, see you guys later. Bye.